Imagine standing before an audience, sharing your unique life experiences, and not only captivating them, but also earning a substantial income from it. For individuals over 50, this isn't just a possibility, it's an exploding reality. In fact, thousands of people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s are embarking on new careers, with many turning to public speaking as a fulfilling and high-paying endeavor. In this video, I'll explore why public speaking is an ideal revenue-generating activity for those over 50. We'll delve into how your wealth of experience can be transformed into engaging content, the personal and financial benefits of public speaking, and how platforms like YouTube can serve as a launchpad for your speaking career. Plus, I'll share actionable steps to help you embark on this exciting journey. But before we dive into the how-tos, have you ever wondered why so many individuals over 50 are choosing to reinvent themselves through public speaking? Is it just about the money, or is there something more profound driving this trend? Stick around as we'll uncover the compelling reasons behind this shift later in the video. Hi, my name is Eric, and for the better part of the last 40 years, I've made public speaking my full-time career. I've spoken on stages of every size around the world, and I hosted nationally syndicated business talk radio and television shows for more than 10 years. Today, I train people just like you to present creatively and to share your unique gifts with others facing their own set of challenges. Did you know that according to the AAE Speakers Bureau, the average public speaker in 2023 was making $16,659 per gig? I like to play a little game called What If I'm Half Wrong? What if the average speaker was only making $8,000 per engagement? Would you still be interested? What if I'm half wrong again? Would a $4,000 speaking fee still motivate you? If you only spoke 3 times a month at that rate, that's a very attainable goal. You'd be making 6 figures doing what you love and sharing what you know. The landscape of the workforce is evolving, with a significant increase in individuals over 50 seeking new career paths or supplementary income. Factors such as longer life expectancies and the desire for continued engagement contribute to this trend. Decades of professional and personal experiences provide a rich foundation for storytelling and teaching. This depth of knowledge is invaluable in the realm of public speaking, where audiences seek authentic insights and practical wisdom. But what if you're thinking, I've never spoken in public before, can I really start now? Hang on, because I'm about to address some common concerns and share strategies that help you overcome these challenges. But first, let's talk about the benefits of public speaking. The first benefit of public speaking has to do with personal growth. Engaging in public speaking enhances confidence, sharpens communication skills, and fosters continuous learning. It's an avenue for personal development that keeps the mind active and engaged. I know that as I get older, I realize that my memory isn't what it once was. But part of my everyday life includes doing research for upcoming speaking opportunities. This helps me stay sharp and focused as I learn something new every day. When it comes to professional opportunities, according to the Events Industry Council, there are 5,205 events every single day looking for speakers. Public speaking opens doors to various avenues such as workshops, seminars, and keynote engagements, which can be both impactful and profitable. I believe that platforms like YouTube offer an excellent starting place for new and aspiring speakers to hone their skills and reach global audiences. Leveraging YouTube can also lead to paid speaking opportunities and multiple revenue-generating verticals as your online presence grows. Let's talk a minute about networking. Public speaking facilitates connections with diverse audiences and professionals, expanding your network and opening up new opportunities for collaboration and growth. I'm of the opinion that every public speaker would do well to join a networking group or an organization like Toastmasters, or both. Now let's address some common concerns. What about the fear of speaking? Listen, I know it's common to feel apprehensive about speaking in public, especially if it's a new endeavor. Many have successfully conquered this fear through consistent practice and support from organizations like Toastmasters. As I mentioned earlier, I'm a huge proponent that every public speaker should at least consider practicing their skills and developing their messages on YouTube. In future videos, I'll share some of the myriad benefits that I've gained from creating content on YouTube over the last 2 decades. If this is something that interests you, write "speakers on YouTube" in the comments, and I'll make those videos sooner rather than later. Now, because I'm addressing people over the age of 50 in this particular video, Let's talk about your age as a distinct advantage. You see, maturity and life experience are highly valued in the speaking circuit. Your unique perspective can set you apart and resonate deeply with audiences seeking authenticity and depth. Coming up next, I'll offer some actionable steps to help you get started on this rewarding journey. If this video is resonating with you and you'd like to know more about what to do to get started, I've got a couple of great resources for you. You can join my free community and get weekly training and helpful reviews, as well as routine ideas via my Creative Presentations newsletter just by clicking the link in the description box below. And if you're already on your way to making speaking your next venture, but struggling to get past the gatekeepers, otherwise known as event planners, I'd love to help by offering you my book, The Magic Words, The Speaker's Blueprint to Get More Gigs. And you can get this 30-page guide totally free just by clicking on the link in the description box. Not only did I write the book, The Magic Words, but I tied it directly to this video that will help you get more gigs with my 5 tips for speaking to event planners. I use this information every single day to book all of my own gigs. I'll be back again soon with more helpful videos dedicated to getting you off the couch and into public speaking. And what if I'm half wrong? Maybe you can get into public speaking right from the comfort of your own couch. And remember, you can do this.